So anybody, what is a leader and what is leadership? That is one of the biggest factors of a leader. अच्छा हुआ तो मेरे टीम ने काम किया है, और अगर गड़बड़ हो गया तो मेरी गलती है. And leader does not always have to lead from the front. Yes, he has to set an example. But जरूरी नहीं कि वो आगे आगे भागता रहे और सब पीछे पीछे चलते रहें. He can be a corporate honcho who is, Ratan Tata was not running in front or standing in front everywhere. But his fundamentals, his philosophies in life were such that they were becoming guiding factors for you. Vivekanand, his talks were such that they motivated you. But he could not be everywhere, could he be? So, leadership is a nichode of whatever I am going to tell, and you all have also spelt it out. Yes, there are places where a leader has to lead from front. So, basically, leadership is nothing but a process of influencing people. लोगों को motivate करना है to reach a certain goal, to reach something which everybody of you want to achieve. So it is leading people by influencing, commanding and guiding them, like you all said, so that you are successful, right? तो leadership में क्या होना चाहिए? What are the factors? We will just rush through. Factors क्या है? अगर leader है तो
he should know about the employees or the
good. But factors क्या है? अगर leader है तो leader के साथ क्या होगा? मैं अकेला तो खड़ा होकर लीडर नहीं बन सकता हूँ.
subordinates.
Yes, subordinates, followers. And if you have beautiful followers, बिना वैसे ही follow करते रहोगे. So, you have to have a leader, you have to have a follower. And then if there are something like we are now, communicating with each other. So, if you have a leader, you have to have followers. Because somebody has to follow the leader. Somebody has to be subordinate. Somebody has to listen to him. And then there has to be a communication. So communication, remember, now you are going up and going to becoming big leaders, corporate honchos and whatnot, executives, senior executives. So communication is one of the biggest key factors of your life skill. If you cannot communicate with others or cannot give out your point to the other person, you are not able to achieve the purpose of what you are trying to do.